Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can solve Amazon account on hold. Now why Amazon is doing this is they just want to protect your credit card, and they don't want problems like if they notice unusual activity on your account or an order, they will hold you, they will put your account on hold. Now don't worry, this is just temporarily. They just want some information from you. Now I'm going to be showing multiple ways on how you can solve this problem. Now first thing I would recommend you to do is to check the email. They will send you an email and then they will ask you for some information to just make sure that it's you who is using the account. You will have to send them some attachments to just make so that you can make sure that it's you who is ordering from Amazon. So yeah, that's exactly what you need to do. You want to go to the email associated with your Amazon account, just check it and you will probably find the email there. Now if not, then what you guys need to do, you want to search for Amazon customer service and then enter the country you are in. Okay, for example US, you want to enter US and then you will find the number directly. You can just call them and then give them the information and then they will be able to help you. Okay, you can find the US. If you are in the US, this is the number you need to call. Okay, this is it. If you are in the UK, you can just enter, instead of US, you want to enter UK and then you will be able to find the number. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys. You can also use online chat using another I know that you cannot access your Amazon now, so I see a lot of tutorials say you have to go and click there and but you cannot access your Amazon account. So the best way is to check email or call them directly. Like I said here, use their number and then call them. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next tutorial.